This is my special way of making Alaskan king crab legs. I've got aioli sauce and lots of butter. It's pretty easy to make. Let's do it. Alaskan king crab legs. That look good. Let me show you how I prepare them. It's kind of difficult sometimes if you're having king crab legs at a party, splitting them open, and I've got a unique way of heating them up and presenting them. What I do is I cut the shell down both sides, remove it, and then create a little dish so the butter doesn't leak out. And that's just meat right there. That's just Alaskan king crab leg meat right there. And I've got 1.5 pounds here of crab. And what I'm going to do is I've got a 1/2 cup of melted butter, and I'm just going to paint it on the top of each one. I can't get any more butter in there. What we're going to do is put a little bit of salt and pepper on the top, just like this. A little salt. I'm going to put a couple of lemons in, just to melt on top. I've got the grill preheated to 375 degrees. I'm going to put some foil on this and put it in for 25 minutes. Well, there's nothing like the smell of Alaskan king crab cooking with butter. I've been 25 minutes on the grill here, and I'm going to bring it out now. It's pretty hot. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, that looks really good. I like this method where you cut the shell away. So you can, this is pretty hot, but you can just pick it up like this, and you can just eat it out of the shell. I'm going to serve this with aioli. And aioli, my aioli, is basically smashed garlic with some mayonnaise and some cayenne pepper and a little bit of lemon juice. And it's really nice to dip some of the crab into that. And I've got some extra butter here, and I'm going to put some more lemon on. So I'll just dress this up right now. There you go, Alaskan king crab in the shell. And I'm going to serve it right in this, and you can dip into the aioli or you can dip into the butter. That looks yummy. Thanks for watching.